Go that way.
Yeah.
You're lucky you're here, Grayson.
Otherwise, he'd have the shotgun out and blast its head off.
Oh, you got a bucket? He won't stay in it.
No.
In that one.
You put him over it. Put the bucket over him. That'll keep him in one place for a few minutes.
Here, you want this stick?
Much bigger
It's a good stick.
You want my stick? I see what you're doing.
I didn't know you hunted rattlesnakes.
Oh, yeah. That's why I need my hook, because I can't.
She'll be back. Wait for the hook. Ryan gets bit. So this is where you drop them off at. Put that on top?
I'll just knock them down.
You didn't say if the dog saw it or not. But
You know,
away from houses.
Oh, way away. Yeah, buddy, come on. See how he comes straight back?
Okay, right.
Where it comes like a point?
Mm-hmm.
You said
That's
it's a male?
dead giveaway. Yeah, that's a
Cool.
How many rattles?
male. Oh, he ain't got very many. But he don't have a button either.